Welcome. Today we are going to work on a problem called defanging a IP address. So basically giving the input, which is going to be a string, we're going to look for periods within the string and replacing that with the bracket, period, bracket string. The approach that we're going to take is fairly simple. So we're going to receive a string and we're gonna turn that string into an array and then check each element to see if it's a period. If so, we just replace it with the bracket, period, bracket string, and then at the end we turn that array back into a string, and that's it. So let's go for it. So first thing I want to do is I want to create some variables. The first variable I'm going to create is going to be called replacement, and it's going to contain our bracket string bracket, or bracket period bracket string. Next, I also want to create a variable to keep track of the index that we're at as we loop through our array. And the last thing we need to do is to turn this address string into an array. Now that we have the array, let's do a for each. And we're gonna pass in a function, and what we want to do each time in the function is we want to check to see if the character is equal to a period. If so, what we want to do is we want to replace that with our replacement variable. And don't forget to increment the index. Now we can return the array, but first we need to turn it back into a string because that's what they're expecting. They want the function to return a string, not a array. So we're going to use the join method. Now we can test this. Yes, it works. Let's click submit. Okay, this works. Let me also provide another solution that is even simpler. So what we can just do is simply turn this address string into the array, and we're going to split it by the period, and then we join it back into a string with the bracket period bracket. So let's see if this works. Yep, it works as well. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Now there's two solutions to this problem. Obviously there's way more solutions, but this is the two solutions that I have. So yeah, thank you and see you next time.